Good morning and welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Regina Paul and I am a mindset and business coach. I guide female leaders to rearrange their times so they can have more time, money, and freedom that they're looking for. All right, so today I wanted to share with you guys my favorite breakfast recipes because as a leader, you also have to take care of yourself. And it doesn't take much to get that quick breakfast, nutritious and delicious, brain boosting, loaded with antioxidants for you to start off your day right. So let's jump right into it. You will need the choice of your fruit. I have here some mixed berries, and I like the frozen ones and the Naturally Perfect because you can get them for super cheap at Superstore here in Canada. Dump a little bit in the bowl. See how much is in there. And you're gonna need the large flaked rolled oats. I like the large flakes because they don't turn into mush once you're done cooking your oats. So then we'll put 2 handfuls of oats on top of the frozen berries. Get some vanilla extract. And you'll also need some super seeds. If you want, you can leave them out. I like them. They just give it a nice little crunch, a little bit of a different taste. It's sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, all the good stuff. Get you some more nutrients. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of vanilla on top. And now we're going to go ahead. Oh, look at that. I put some holes in there. I really like doing that because then I can just kind of dump it out. And I would usually do everything by eye. I don't measure it. And now we're going to add some water and we're going to get the oats wet from the top so they don't dry out when they're cooking. And just enough water so you can see it come up on the rim. And now we'll plop it into the mic for 3 minutes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And look at that. They're done. So next, we'll get a little bit of cinnamon. Sprinkle that on top. You can leave it out if you don't like cinnamon. I mean, it's all up to you, right? You can also use milk instead of water. I personally don't like milk. In a plant-based diet, I also don't drink any type of milk. I don't replace it at all. So we have here, you stir it up and it turns in that nice berry color. I guess it was mixed berries, blueberries, Saskatoons, and not strawberries, but blackberries and raspberries. Super delicious. So, yeah. And you'll get that little bit of a crunch. Wow, you can really see it steaming. Very, very delicious and nutritious. Next, we have the savory oats. This is an updated version. I have another video up. So this one is the faster version. So I need your large flakes again. And that bag lasts me forever. So I'm making 2 servings. So I just have 2 bowls out. I have a mixture of vegetables. I really like having the cherry tomatoes in there. They just make it taste so good. Next, you're going to need a little bit of cumin, a little bit of chili powder, and turmeric. Turmeric is very good. However, if you have problems with your thyroid, I don't recommend that you eat that because it aggravates it. And then we also have some nutritional yeast, and that is lots and lots of vitamin B. So here we have it. I put all of the seasoning in there. I put 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast and 1/8 teaspoon of cumin and chili powder and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. You can taste it after it's cooked and add a little bit more as desired. I would really put the turmeric in a little bit at a time because it can get quite bitter if you put too much in. So then we're going to pour some water over top so it covers the seasoning so that doesn't like cook all crusty and weird. Okay. So there we have it. 2 servings of savory oats. Let's put that into cook. And again, it's just 3 minutes. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All done. Oh no, it exploded a little bit. I should have covered it. So if you have a microwave cover, please use it. Ooh, super hot, hot, hot. All right, let's get this out of here. Okay. Look at that. So now if you stir that up, let's put the other one in first. Put that on for 3 minutes. 1, 2, and 3. And when you stir that up, look at that. Look at the veggies, how they look. I absolutely love the tomatoes in it. It just gives it a different type of flavor. You can also mix like a handful of raw spinach into it. Don't cook it, to get some extra nutrients. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to try this out, if you have tried it out. And I will see you in my next video. Ciao.